Hello everyone, today we'll be understanding about a new kind of an operator known as around operator. So come let us find out what this is. So today in our use case, we will be using around operator to find relevant keywords to target. So first let us understand what around operator actually means. So Google has one of its own search operator known as around, and this is used to find web pages that includes any words or phrases which are near to each other. Now the thing is that by finding most of the relevant search results that contains a word that Google considers nearest to our target query, we can extract that word with a higher relevancy score and optimize them for our target pages to yield a better score likewise. Okay, now the thing is how to use around operator for SEO. So for example, if we take one of the keyword as online supplemental store for a niche, and we use this as below, such as online with quotation around 10 and then supplement. So the most relevant output we will be getting is apexsupplement.in. In the same way, if we add one more parameter with the existing operator, choosing the second priority keyword around 20 like this, online around 10, supplement around 20 store, the relevant output we'll get is sourceofsupplement.com. And also there is another example as around 30. So the thing is that keyword extraction can happen as a bag of words, and utilizing this gives you the most nearest neighbor for the keywords that Google matches to be the right in the relevancy order, and using an around operator can help you extract the right level of the keywords.